Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In today's lecture, we are going to study some problems based on linear inequality in one variable, right? In yesterday's class, we have seen what is inequality and what are linear inequalities, and moreover intervals. We have seen intervals also, right? In today's lecture, we will solve some examples based on linear inequalities in one variable, right? Let us see the examples one by one. The first example, solve the inequality for real x. Solve inequality for real x. And that first one is 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7, and second one 3x minus 7 which is greater than 5x minus 1, right? Let's see one by one. Two examples are there in front of us. Solve inequality for real x, they are asking. Just here we have to find the value of inequality, that is nothing but our x, right? First let us consider the solution. First the given 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus of 7. Now what is the first rule here? Separate variable one side and constant other side here, right? Now plus 7 take on LHS, what it becomes? Minus 7 plus of 3 which is less than 5x minus of 4x. Now 4x is on RHS. Now minus 7 plus 4 is plus 3 is minus 4 is less than 5x minus 4x is x. Therefore, which implies x is greater than minus 4. X is greater than minus 4 means how you write in the form of interval, right? Greater sign is there. What you take here? Greater sign means normal bracket, that is open interval. When greater than or equal to sign is there here, then we take a square bracket, right? How to write this in the form of interval? X is greater than minus 4. X is greater than minus 4 means what we can write it as? Minus 4 to infinity plus infinity. Greater than minus 4 means what we get? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity, but not infinity. Excluding minus 4 and infinity, the value between minus 4 and infinity we get in this interval, that is x is greater than minus 4, right? So graphically how we write this, and let's see. It's a real line, right? I will write here center point is 0, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, it is minus 4, right? Now here it is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 like this. Now x is greater than minus 4 means what we get? From this, from minus 3 onwards we will consider the value, because x is greater than minus 4 but not equals to minus 4. Equals to minus 4 means we consider from point minus 4, but it is greater than minus 4. For that reason we consider from this. I will shade this reason here from 3 onwards, right? From minus 3 onwards up to infinity it is. Up to what? Up to it is infinity, right? Which cannot take end point here, right? From minus 3 to up to positive infinity, right? Similarly, if we solve the second one, given is again here 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1, right? Now here also plus 3 I take on minus 1 here come means it is what becomes 1 minus 7, which is greater than 5x minus 3x. Therefore, minus 6 greater than 5x minus 3x is 2x. Now here, divide both sides by 2. Minus 6 by 2, it is 2x by 2. 2 to get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 3s, that is minus 3. Therefore, x is less than minus 3. X is less than minus 3. How will you write this one? X is less than minus 3. First of all, whether you take open interval or closed interval here, let's see first. Here x is less than symbol is there, it means it is an open interval. If equal sign is also there, then what we can write here? Closed interval comes here, right? Now it is only x is less than minus 3 means we can write in the form of which implies open interval, both are here, right? How can you write now? X is less than minus 3. Now minus 3 to minus infinity, right? Less than minus 3 means minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 up to minus infinity, but excluding minus infinity and minus 3. In a real line, how we denote it as? Let's see. It is 0, it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, right? It is minus 1, it is minus 2, it is minus 3, it is minus 4, it is minus 5, minus 6 is right. Now, minus 3, which does not include in this. Therefore, from minus 4, we can shade this region, this side, which moves like this. The shaded region is nothing but the value of this interval, that is minus infinity to minus 3, excluding the end points here, right? Or you can take here from minus 3 onwards, but excluding minus 3 we can say. Directly we are taking from minus 4. You can take end point. Usually we denote a circle here. An empty circle denotes what? Open interval. Whereas the shaded region denotes closed interval, it is right, which takes end points. So similarly we can write this also. We can write an empty like this. From this region onwards, we can write like this also. That is open circle, that is empty circle. What it shows, it is an open interval, right, which excludes point minus 3, right? Similarly, we can solve some other examples also. Next example is, that is third one. 3 times of x minus 1, which is less than or equals to 2 times of x minus 3, and fourth one is 3 times of 2 minus x, which is greater than or equals to 2 times of 1 minus x. Again, 2 examples have been given here. Solve for inequality for a real x here also. Now let us consider first solution. The given term 3 times of x minus 1 less than or equals to 2 times of x minus 3 is right. Here now multiply 3 inside, what we get? 3x minus 3 less than or equals to 2x minus 6 is there, right? Now 2x take on LHS, it becomes 3x minus 2x, which is less than or equals to minus 6 plus 3. Therefore x is less than or equals to minus 3. Now how you write this one now? Less than or equal sign is there here. How you write? X is less than or equals to minus 3 it is. Then how you write? Less than minus 3 means it becomes minus 4, minus 5, like this up to minus infinity, right? Minus infinity to minus 3. Now here the brackets are more important here now. Equal sign is there. X is less than or equals to means we can write a closed interval here. From that side, open interval. We don't know. Excluding minus infinity, including minus 3 it is, right? Minus infinity to minus 3. It is x is less than or equals to, including this one. Now how we write on a real line? It is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 is right. Now x is less than minus 3 means from this. Less than or equal sign is there. From this line onwards, from this point onwards, we can take the values. A shaded region indicates what? The interval between minus infinity to minus 3. Here end point we are taking 3 also, right? Because x is less than or equal sign is there. Equal sign indicates minus 3 also in the set, right? Now next example, again here also given is there 3 times of 2 minus x greater than or equals to 2 times of 1 minus x. Now multiply 6 minus 3x greater than or equals to 2 minus 2x, right? Now take plus 3 on LHS, what it becomes? 6 minus 2 greater than or equals to 3x minus 2x, therefore 6 minus 2 is 4 greater than or equals to x, therefore which implies x is less than or equals to 4. X is less than or equals to 4. So how you write x is less than or equals to 4 means? Again on the real line, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. X is less than or equals to minus 4. We are writing similarly here also from minus infinity to plus 4 it is, right? Taking end point here, minus infinity to plus 4. Now from this point to, from 4 to less than or equals to means from this point to up to negative infinity, less than negative infinity, this reason. Here again 5, 6 is there, right? But this reason, from this reason onwards, this reason is nothing but our set of interval, that is minus infinity, that is 4. 4 to minus infinity here, including 4 also in that particular set, that is x is less than or equals to 4, right? Next we will see some other examples. Basic calculation portion is there here, simply to find out. Here only we have a single linear inequality. In the next class we will going to study some system of linear inequalities in one variable. Now it is only we are considering here. Next one more example is, that is fifth one, x plus x by 2 plus of x by 3 which is less than 11, and sixth one is x by 3 which is greater than x by 2 plus 1, right? Here also they are asking solve inequality for a real x, right? Solution, the given value is x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 is less than 11 is there. Now in the LHS what to take? LCM. 6 is the LCM here. Nothing is there means 1. 6 1 is 6. 6x plus 2 3 is 3x plus 3 2 is 2x less than 11. Therefore 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11x by 6 less than 11. Here dividing by the coefficient of x means what we get here? Dividing by 11 by 6 means 6 by multiplying by 6 by 11 on both sides, 6 by 11. Here 11 11 get cancelled, 11 6 get cancelled. For x is less than 6. The value of x is less than 6. If you denote on the real line, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this. x is less than 6 we are taking. Less than 6 means it is not equal, it means it is an open interval now, right? Less than 6 to minus infinity, less than 6 minus infinity comma 6 it is. So we can write from x minus 6 means excluding 6 here, from 5 onwards we are take this. The values which consist in the interval 5 onwards, right? The shaded region what it shows, these are the points which includes in the interval, but not 6 because x is less than 6 is right. Next, similarly, one more example is there. Here also take cross multiplier solution. Given x by 3 greater than x by 2 plus 1, x by 3 as it is greater than, cross multiply what we get, x plus 2 by 2 here, right? Now what we get here, x plus 2 by 2 means just simply what to do here, cross multiply. Let's see what we get here, 2x into greater than 3x plus of 6, right? After cross multiplying what we get here, 2x is greater than 3x plus 6. Now 6 take on RHS, LHS, 2x from RH, 6 take on LHS, 2x to RHS. It is nothing but minus 6 is less than 3x minus 2x. Therefore minus 6 as it is, therefore x is less than minus 6. X is less than minus 6, which can be written as, x is less than 6 can be written as, again here less symbol is there, not equal sign. Therefore we can write minus infinity to minus 6. So in real line what we can show here, it is 0, it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, so on like this. The real line goes like this up to minus infinity. So the values from 7 onwards, this reason. Excluding point minus 6 because x is less than minus 6 but not equals to minus 6, but equals to 6 means we can take from minus 6 onwards, but it is less than minus 6, so therefore we are considering it from minus 7 onwards. So how to solve a linear inequality in a one variable when it has a single linear equation, single linear inequality we can say, right? So these are the example based on that. Similarly, in the next class we are going to deal with some system of linear inequalities in one variable with their graphical solution also, right? Here also we are drawing the real line and plotting the points from where to where this interval lies. So similarly, in tomorrow class, if there are two equations, if only single linear inequality is there, so we are taking a real line. So if two equations are there, two linear inequalities are there, then how we plot the graph? Again we have to go through two-dimensional graph, that is x-axis and y-axis. So this much is in this lecture, and again we will see some more examples and as well as some concept in the next class. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.